Well, hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm actually on my dad's YouTube channel. I also have a YouTube channel too, Henley Outdoors. I really recommend you guys watch that and subscribe. I do a lot of fishing videos out here. I go on my dad's boat and do videos, but he's really busy, so he's busy working and stuff. So he doesn't upload that much, but I do upload more because I have a lot more free time, so you can check out that channel if you want. But today, I'm going to show you guys some of the best videos I have on Henley Outdoors YouTube channel. But a lot of them are older. There's about 3 to 5 videos I think I'm going to show you. Some of them are clips of videos, like when we reel them in, catch them, all the action there. When we have a sea lion, from a sea lion, I might put that in. I don't know. Yeah, so. Well, let's get into the video. Just don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want, and Henley Outdoors, my channel. Yeah, so I'll start showing you the videos. Let's do this.
No, Rick, we were reeling in the wrong one, Ricky. Keep her steady reel. Pick him up.
Hold on, I gotta get this thing out of the way.
You're fine right there.
It's everywhere. Water link, Palmer Lake. This is the lure and setup we caught it on.
Squaw. Yeah, big old squaw fish. Okay. Oh, there's a fish on here.
The mud shark guy. You guys see him? Look at this. Look at this shark. It's a mud shark.
Its eyes. Oh.
So good. Fish.
Nice. Whoa, that's nice.
Help me. Help me, Sam. Help me.
Bring it this way, boy. Come here. Bring other one.
I see this one. So.
Okay, that's whatever.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
Sometimes you get it back, they just take a bite out. Yeah. They got a video. Oh, Lord, I think it let go.
This is epic.
He's barely got it on tail.
Where's the rock? Where's the rock? Where's the rock?
There he is. Give me that line.
Anyways, so that was the crazy videos I have on that channel, but he's been really busy lately, like I said, so hasn't got to upload that much, so made a deal if I get myself shout-outs for my channel, then only if I do a video for him. So yeah, check out that channel, and see you guys in that channel. Bye.